Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we'll be discussing about quoting attribute values. Always quote attribute values. HTML allows attribute values without quotes. However, we recommend quoting attribute values because developers normally quote attribute values. Quoted values are easier to read. You must use quotes if the value contains spaces. For example, this one you are seeing right here is having quote. As you can see, the class is having is equal to double quote. Inside the double quote, we wrote our class name. The second one is bad because it's not having double quote. The class, we wrote it like class is equal to, and directly we wrote our name. It is very bad. The reason why it's very bad is because this will not work because the value contains space. When you write table, class is equal to table, and you are trying to write another attribute, maybe you want to write another attribute like ID, it will never work to bring an error because of the space between the class attribute and the class value and the other names attribute. So I want to avoid this. Always have your class names, your attribute name should be in what? Quotes. Must be in quotes to avoid errors. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you.